Hey, what's good? What's good? Happy Monday. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Pol. Currently sitting at 47 cents. Going through correction. They can be boring at times, but that's crypto. If you can't handle it, get out of the kitchen. So we're sitting at 47 cents. We're down 1.3 on the day. Market cap 4.02 billion. 24-hour volume 235 million. My last Gala video, somebody commented, Gala's dead. I'm like, yo, you guys are so easily shaken. So we have a nice 5-way move. I do think, looking at Bitcoin, we could go through a bit more correction, potentially till Trump's inauguration. Should cause a pump, as long as he doesn't get it should cause a pump as long as he doesn't get sniped or nuked. So ABC into a W, push up into X, come down into Y. If we push all the way up and break 0.6698, the B wave high, then I'd look for a straight breakout. But as of right now, I'll show you guys Bitcoin real quick. I think there's a higher likelihood that that's an A wave. You're going to push up into B. You're going to come down into C, 89K, 83K. But if we push up, we break that wave 5 high, then we're good to go. And the correction is over. We'll have to see how that plays out. Bitcoin dominance is starting to get rejected at this major level of resistance that I posted in my Discord. You can have completely free access at the end of the video, which includes trade signals. See all this resistance here, and we are seeing a bit of rejection. So we'll see if we get rejected there, and then we might just trade sideways for a bit before we drop, and alts start to pump once again. And as you can see on the daily chart for Pol, we're just coming back into that major level of support. We wick down into it. So if we do a little something like this, little bounce, get rejected by the EMAs, come back down, retest again, double bottom, see you later. That's what I'm looking at for Polygon. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, amongst many other benefits, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. This will take 30 seconds of your time. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in Canada and the US. Once you sign up, it takes 30 seconds of your time. Just send me email and you get completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trades, my Forex signals, and one of our members is also posting trade signals all day long. His son just had his birthday party, which is pretty cool. And where's his signals? Lots of signals. Yeah, lots of signals. And you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, all for free with a sign up to Bitfinex. 30 seconds of your time. Highly recommend. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.